In this video, I'm going to show you how there is a way in which you can actually earn $100 per day online. Something really important, guys. This is actually going to be based on my experience. Hey, hello, my name is Yana Castillo, and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be telling you how you can actually earn $100 per day online. Right now, there are so many ways in which you can earn money online. One of the ways is by, you know, being a freelancer. In my case, I prefer not to exchange time for money. Actually, the way that I'm going to be sharing with you is the way that helps me replace not one, but two full-time jobs. So let me tell you a little bit more about my experience. Okay. First of all, this is something that I got started back on 2018. At that time, I had two full-time jobs because I suffered a huge scam. Although a lot of people focus on the money, I have to be honest with you guys. The broken part of me that it was hard to recover. It's what's my mindset. It's right now you are having a situation in which you're full of debts and all the stuff settled me. I can tell you that this is something that is actually momentarily. It can get better, okay? But everything starts with your mindset. Everything starts with your belief. And in my case, it was all broken. I did not believe in myself. I was like, blaming me. And I was like, I need to suffer this. It's all my fault and all this stuff. So it was a really, really hard time for me. But I decided, to try several ways to make money online. And at the end of the day, I decided to go with affiliate marketing, in which is a way in which what we're going to be doing. We are actually promoting other people, products, and services in exchange for the commission. There are several benefits of this, and one thing is that you can actually set up the system, and I'm going to show you more about that in a moment. So you can earn semi-passive income. So in my case, as I told you before, I tried several ways to make money online. And, if you have responsibility with your family, full-time job, and other responsibilities, you don't want to spend a lot of time in front of a computer, okay? Because chances are that you don't have the time. That was my case. So I was looking for something that I can do in my spare time, and I don't have to deal with customer service, payment processor, tech support. I don't have to ship the product. I don't have to deal with anything. Okay, there's just one thing and one thing only that we're going to be doing, and I'm going to show you more about that in a moment. So I'm really passionate about this topic because, as I told you before, it helps me replace two full-time jobs. And I know that if you're really serious about this, it's gonna be helping you earn $100 per day, even more. But at the end of the day, it's gonna depend 100% on you taking action. Okay, so let me share with you some of my payments because I know that sometimes people are like, this is actually really possible, So again, this is not guaranteed. My results are not typical, and the reason why I'm telling you this, it's because most people just watch the video. Some of them are not gonna watch the video and they're not gonna take action. So let me share with you here. So you can see here I have some payments: $1, $17, 9.99, 37, 27, 9.99, 37, 37, 7, 17, 7, 7, 17, 37, and so on. And I have more pages full of payments, even with more amount. So I want to show you that this is actually something really, really profitable. Okay, so as I told you before, the the model that I use and I recommend to earn money online, it's affiliate marketing. Basically, here is someone who created product or a service. This can be a physical product. This can be a digital product. I'm going to show you how you can actually find the product. And here we have a potential customer. Okay, someone who is looking to solve a problem. And here you are. You're like, hey, are you looking to solve this problem, or do you want to have more information about this product? Check this here, use this link and purchase it. So if the person purchases it, you are going to be earning a commission. But there is a professional way in which you can actually do it. And that's how I actually did it. At the beginning, I was not looking to replace my full-time jobs. I was looking to earn more money because I was barely making it because of the debts that I have. So this is in a nutshell how it works. Okay, so first you will need to pick up a niche. Okay, that's the very first thing, is that you need to pick up a niche. Okay, the most profitable niches online are health, wealth, or relationships. Diana, does that means that I cannot find any other, or I cannot promote any other, kind of program or product? To be honest, right now I'm on several niches. I don't recommend you to start with difference. Start just with one. And, you know, a lot of people are looking for information and products online. So pick one that you really like, that you feel passionate about. And I'm going to be talking more about that in a moment. So where you can find the product. Okay, you can go to marketplaces such as ClickBank, JVZoo, DStore24, Wire Plus, Commission Junction, ShareSale, and so on. Or you can go to Google and you can type, for example, here I have pet and affiliate programs. So here I have websites that says 10 best pet affiliate programs. Here we have for Chewy. Okay, they do have an affiliate program. Here we have an affiliate program from Petco. More than 80% of the companies out there do have an affiliate programs. Brands like Nike, Adidas, IKEA, Target, Best Buys, they do have affiliate programs. So chances are that right now you're recommending a product, but you're not earning a commission because you just don't know. Okay. So now you have the niche. Now you have the product that you're going to be promoting, and we need to have a system. Okay, this is going to be a two-step system. Okay, that is going to be working for us 24/7. So how does this works? Is that we are going to be providing something valuable for free. Okay, and that's also why it's so important to pick a niche, because we're going to be talking directly to that person. Okay, we're going to be talking directly to that person. Uh, let's say that you are a person who loves sports, but you are a person who loves, to run. That's your thing. So you're going to be talking about running shoes, the best brands. Chances are that, well, it depends. Like, okay, I want to go and participate in a half marathon, a full marathon. How you can actually, get started. Is this is going to be your first half marathon? Is this the very first time how you are going to run your first 2 kilometers? So you're going to be sharing valuable information. Then we are going to have something that we call a bridge page. Okay, a bridge page. This can be a text or this can be a video. And we're telling the person that, hey, they're going to get this information via email. And now we are going to be sharing our affiliate link. Okay, this is how we actually earn money. So the cool thing about this ecosystem is the fact that you can promote these products 24/7. But not only that, you can promote other products, okay, on autopilot. So you can be talking about, uh, you know, running shoes. You can be talking about, tips. Maybe there is an app that you're going to be promoting. So, and the system is actually going to be working for you 24/7. This is how I was actually able to replace my full-time job, because you set it once and then it's going to be working for you. It doesn't matter where your potential customer is. Okay, it's actually going to be working for you. And another cool thing is that depending on the product that you're promoting, sometimes they do have way more than one product. So they have something that we call a value ladder. Okay, maybe you are talking about here the free guide. Then you're recommending people the running shoes. Then maybe you have here an app that you're recommending. Maybe you have here some supplements that you're recommending, and so on. So these can be all from the same store, or you can actually do it yourself because you can promote different products, and you're going to be earning commission of all of this. because you know that this person in this example, it's important, for him or for her, it's actually really important, to improve the running. Chances are that maybe they're not a pro, but, they want to have, they want to achieve certain goals. So these can be a value ladder here. These can have a value ladder here. These can have a value ladder here. And you're going to be earning money. So now, where are people? Where they are. Right? Okay, this is the coolest thing. And, and nowadays it's way easier than when I get started, because people are everywhere on the internet. They can be on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, but they can be also watching shorts on YouTube. They can be reading a blog. Okay, you can also run pay ads. And with the short form content, this is nice because you can actually create a content in which you are not going to be talking, and you're going to be delivering a message. It's going to be a 5 to 7 second videos. You don't have to show your face. It can be 100% faceless if you want. And people are going to get the message. And you're going to drive them to the ecosystem. Okay, so this ecosystem is actually going to be working for you. It's going to be helping you achieve your goals. And, this is going to be like a snowball effect. At the beginning, it's going to look like it's actually kind of slow, because it's as everything, when you start learning, to walk, it was a process. Now you might run, jump, and all the stuff, and it's second nature. But at the beginning, if you have a kid, you know what I'm talking about. So this is actually how you can actually earn $100 or more per day. So if you want to learn more about this on detail, check the very first link in the description. Okay, so you can have everything step by step on all the information, how you can actually pick the best products, how you can actually, if you're not sure about like what's the niche that you're going to be covering, how you can actually go over it, how you can actually use AI and all this stuff, that's going to be in the very first link in the description. So that's it for this video. I hope you're enjoying this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.